Santa Claus, no more toys and candy in a bar. And he brought some toys for the children. What toy did they want? A candy bar. And what other toy did a boy want? A choo-choo train. He got all that stuff. And he did this and that. Gave all the children one single toy. And he checked in his book, and what could he see? And they sing. Santa Claus, bring me a toy. Santa Claus, bring a toy. After that, he gives someone a toy. It was something to put the children asleep. And they hang their stockings on the wall. Santa Claus went to their chair, and now he put the cap on. And then he got back into his sleigh.